Good afternoon. It is Wednesday of week 7, and as many of you are right now, I'm sure, starting your final paper for this course. This comes up every term that we teach it, and I thought for once I'd try to head off something that hopefully I do not expect to see, but it does come up every term, and it's something that's just worth noting. And as I said, I'm trying to do a little troubleshooting in advance. If you would, please take a moment before you begin to write to make sure you read the included instructions for the paper and read the rubric. It's very important and it will guide you, of course. But the one thing I want to mention is this is a paper that requires you to go back and kind of concentrate and consolidate all the learning you've done during the course and in the different papers you've already written. Now, what this means is you're going to be going back and hopefully you trust your own writing and your own research and your own abilities that you will use those papers as sources for informing this new one. But that means you're not copying them. Okay. We have had over the last several terms, several instances of some serious violations of academic integrity. People tend to literally plagiarize themselves. Just want to warn against that temptation. I know it's tough. I know you get this, as we all do. We look at it in many ways differently, but one of the primary ones that's very natural is, hey, this is my work. What do you mean I can't use it over again? Well, you can't use it over again to represent it as part of a new original work. It is, of course, something, as I just said, we want you to refer to. We want you to help yourself get through this last paper by using what you've done before. Don't copy it. What you do, what happens is you become your own source. And even if you take a small passage, a sentence or two, just like any other research source, you need to paraphrase that and you need to cite and reference it. You have become your own source. So it is a very important point. This is not my policy. This is not the university's policy. This is not the department's policy. This is the normal procedure and policies of academic writing, and it really has to be adhered to. Use your prior work to build on it, to develop your ideas even further, but in this effective consolation summary paper, it's an original work. It's an original work for this original assignment within this original course. And that's very important to remember. Also remember that this one paper is worth 30% of the whole course grade. So yes, it requires your best effort. It can help a lot of people, and also it can hurt if you don't do it in a diligent, well thought out and well constructed manner. So please just take a look at those things in the rubric, take a look at the requirements, take a look at how it's written, the instructions we've provided. I think you'll find a good guide to doing a good job. I don't anticipate any problems, but I thought I'd try to head it off before it happened. Good luck with the work. Appreciate what everybody's done so far, and I'll look forward to the work product that we get. Okay, thank you very much.